Well, Acid Factory is set in an acid factory, and it almost plays like an integral character in the film. So the film is called Acid Factory. It's basically a high-octave, twisted action thriller with our 6 lead protagonists who are playing this huge mind game with each other and trying to figure out what's what.
टाइटल एक्चुअली वेन्यू का नाम है। पूरी फिल्म एक फैक्ट्री में बेस है, जिसके वजह से इसको एसिड फैक्ट्री कहा गया है। एक थ्रिलर है, एक्शन पेस थ्रिलर है।
It's an action thriller. A lot of it takes place inside a chemical factory. That's what we've named it.
We will start shooting now, but on paper it has been 9 months of writing around 58 drafts, and it's been a joyride because we've explored every single aspect this film could possibly go. And I can say this very happily and proudly that today we have characters in the film where you have 6 different etched out characters, and each one is more interesting than the other.
It's a fantastic script. Suparn Verma, who's the director of the film, is a dear friend and a very talented filmmaker. So I'm really looking forward to this one.
Well, Sanjay and Suparn have worked on it really hard, and when I saw the initial poster, it did blow my mind. So yes, I'm extremely excited, and it's just a very small glimpse into the way the director intends to shoot it, and the producer wants to. That's Sanjay and White Feather Films wants to present it. So it's exciting. It's always fun to be part of a very stylized film. And stylized on all levels, right from the story, the dialogues, to the characters, and the way it's shot, and the way it's marketed. That's always nice. I think it creates a certain excitement with the audience.
जब संजय गुप्ता कुछ सुनाने आते हैं तो वो ये आपके लिए छोड़ते नहीं कि आप एक्साइट हो या नहीं हो, आपको फिल्म करनी पड़ती है क्योंकि वो खुद ही इतने पैशनेट होते हैं. And if he wants you to be there, you just feel like being part of it.
I think he dares to break rules. He's always experimented. He's known for shooting his actors really well, coming up with interesting, innovative ideas and executing them effectively. I'd like to wish the entire team of Acid Factory all the very best. I hope you make a phenomenal movie and everybody loves it.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.